Welcome back to our channel, where we turn complex camera functions into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into how to set the exposure compensation on your Sony A7R. Turn on your Sony A7R by flipping the power switch located near the shutter button. Locate the exposure compensation dial on the top of the camera. On most A7R models, this is a dedicated dial that can be easily found by feel. Look at the exposure compensation scale on the camera's display or viewfinder. The scale typically ranges from -3 to +3, representing stops of light. To decrease exposure and make your photo darker, turn the dial towards the minus sign. This is helpful in overly bright conditions where you want to retain detail in highlights. To increase exposure and make your photo brighter, turn the dial towards the plus sign. Use this in darker environments where you need to lift shadows without using flash. As you adjust the dial, keep an eye on the camera's metering indicator in the viewfinder or on the LCD screen. This will guide you on how much compensation you're applying. Take a test shot to see the effect of your adjustments. Remember, exposure compensation is most effective when shooting in aperture priority, A, shutter priority, S, or program, P mode, as it allows the camera to automatically adjust settings for the perfect exposure based on your compensation input. And there you have it. Simple steps to mastering exposure compensation on your Sony A7R for perfectly balanced shots in any lighting condition.